Greetings, traders. To locate and use the custom indicators in TopstepX, click on Indicators at the top of the chart. Search for TopstepX, click on the name of the indicator you wish to add to your chart, and click on the star to add it to your favorites, which will bring it to the top of the list. The TopstepX Wave Trend Indicator tracks price momentum through two smooth lines that oscillate around a zero center line, similar to RSI or MACD, but with extra smoothing to filter out market noise. To customize, mouse over the indicator name and click on the settings icon. Under the input section, the channel length specifies the number of previous candles to use to create the channel. The average length specifies the number of previous candles to use to smooth out the channel lines. The greater the length, the smoother the lines. The overbought and oversold levels are anticipated levels where momentum may be expected to slow down or to change direction. These should be adjusted to match the volatility of the instrument you are trading. Under the Style section, choose the line color, the line style, and the line type for each individual plot. Note that the Wave Trend 1 and Wave Trend 2 divergence is displayed as a histogram. However, it may also look good as a column.